Hello and welcome to the Getting Started tutorial for Revit Architecture 2011. We are the Autodesk student experts from the TU Graz in Austria. Mavi Basha, Klaus Hieden and I, Philipp Müller. In this tutorial you will get to know the basic tools of Autodesk Revit Architecture. You will experience how easy it is to realize your project with this powerful program. In this tutorial we'll start from the very beginning by explaining the user interface. After that we will create the structure of our building, and then we will enhance our architectural design by editing the building elements with a huge variety of tools. In this 3D view you see that we will create our own site, place some trees and also create a free form. Despite of the exterior design, we also will design our interior. We will place furniture, create interior walls, place doors and just there. You will create views with different graphic styles, place dimensions and different color schemes. Further, we'll show you how easy it is to create sections. After that, we'll introduce you to the schedules, for example a door schedule or wall schedules. Schedules are very useful because they automatically gather information of our BIM project. Then we will place our views on different sheets, so you're ready to print them. And last but not least, we'll show you how to render in Revit Architecture. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to create a building in Revit Architecture, and you definitely will enjoy working with it. We also recommend to take a look at our two other tutorials, Advanced Detailing and Professional Mass Modeling, to learn more about Revit Architecture 2011.